In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add navigation menu on Wix. By the end, you'll have a clean, clickable menu sitting exactly where you want it, ready for quick customization. Start in the Wix editor and look to the top left corner. Click the plus icon there. This opens the Add panel, which is your toolbox for dropping new elements onto your site. It's the fastest way to bring in common features, and using it keeps everything consistent with Wix's drag-and-drop design. Inside the Add panel, use the search bar and type the word Menu. This filters everything down so you only see menu options, saving time and helping you find the exact style you want. You'll typically see options like horizontal or vertical menus, along with design variations that match different site vibes, from minimal and modern to bold and colorful. Once you find a menu style you like, click and drag it onto your page. Move it to the location that makes the most sense for your layout, usually near the top area so visitors can spot it immediately. As you drag, look for the smart alignment guides that appear. They help you center and line things up neatly so your site looks polished. When you're happy with the placement, release the mouse and the menu will drop right into place. And there you go. Your navigation is now part of the page. Next, select the menu you just added. When it's selected, a small toolbar and settings panel will appear. This is where you can start customizing it to match your brand and layout. Explore options like design and layout to adjust fonts, colors, and spacing. You can choose a style that contrasts nicely with your background for better readability, and tweak the size so it looks balanced without crowding your header area. If there are design presets, try a few to see what complements your site's overall look and feel. As you fine-tune the appearance, keep usability in mind. Clear, legible text, enough space between items, and a simple color palette help visitors find what they need quickly. Subtle hover effects can add a professional touch without distracting from your content. Think about the order of items and how easily someone new to your site could navigate from page to page. That's all. You've added a navigation menu, placed it where you want it, and opened the door to customization so it fits your style. Keep the design simple, readable, and consistent, and your visitors will know exactly where to go next.